This car is a 1972 W114. I was going to strip the door. When I was working on this latch, I forgot to put something in, so now I have to re-strip it. You start off by taking the doorknob off. Then you can just lift this up. Just clips off. The next thing are the door handles. It has a Phillips screwdriver inside. When you loosen it, these little plates will fall off. They'll just become loose, just don't drop them. There's another Phillips this side. Remove your little plate. Bit of trimming. To take this off, this side of the handle, it's a little clip, and then you just pull it backwards. So it goes in and then slides down, and then that thing clips it. So you just first lift this side, lift it up, and then it comes off of that little clippy there, and then keep those two pieces together. To take this off, you have to get the screwdriver not this side of the silver, but that side of the silver. Then it's a straightforward Phillips. This latch here, your screwdriver goes in there and just lifts it over that little edge. There's two pieces there, two little clips, and then this black will come off, exposing your Phillips at the back. That's off. The last thing is this trimming here, two Phillips. And then it's just a matter of small clips along the edge. And there's your panel off.